Hi, welcome to another online marketing core video. I'm your host, Ramon Tarruella, and today I'm going to talk about how to make your content more share friendly on social media sites. So let's get started. Your content being shared. It is unquestionably a tremendous feeling to see your content being shared between social media networks and being referred. And if this is the thing that you want for your business, then it is in your very best interest to make it less complicated for your content to be shared. In the event that you make your content a whole lot more share friendly, then the high the chance that it will be. So right now we will be talking about 6 steps to make push your content to be shared. Tantalizing titles. Your content title will probably be your spokesperson on these types of social media sites. They're going to be the one responsible for screaming "click me" among a total collection of different contents. You seriously need to show up with a little something that will get noticed from the rest of the audience. A little something that says the readers what your content is in regard to in an interesting style and can arouse their fascination. Number 2, meta description. Meta description actions like a preview or a small preliminary of your content. Oftentimes, meta descriptions are immediately generated depending upon on the foundation they are attached to. Most of the time, your meta descriptions are instantly generated once you did not indicate any. So the most effective practice is if you can easily manually alter them, this meta description on your very own. Then you will want to. By taking individualized contour on your meta description, you may make it more alluring for people to simply click your content. Various people love to scan the meta description to come up because of a strategy of what the content is about. They then simply come to a decision if it is worthy it to further look it out on the next page. So arise with such a technique that users who go through your meta description are dying to comprehend more. Images. Pictures connect 1,000 words, and nothing sees a page scroller in its track like an interesting graphic. An image is the great thing to use to make your content get noticed from the rest of the crowd. It equally gives your content individuality. So try to add an interesting image which is relevant to your content, and you have acquired yourself many further clicks. Picture makes your content come alive, and not to mention extra attractive to the eyes. It may possibly be a little crazy picture, a heartwarming one, or a thing that can certainly help confirm a point. Either way, place it focus to your content. Twitter titles and hashtags. This hint is extra tailored towards Twitter. Have a significant event planned, or have a handful of latest news associated with your business or company. How about entering a hashtag as well as any sort of involving person's username in the title of its very own? That way, the moment people discuss your content on Twitter, the title shall be shown in Twitter's hashtag stream, which in turn will quickly improve the visibility of your shared content. More mention, as stated by the modern study, an internet site that has social media sharing buttons, which will come with each of their posts, will more mention when compared to the ones that don't. How much more? Close to an outstanding 7 times more. That's essentially a lot. Of course, you would be really getting left behind big time if you don't start off putting social media sharing button on your site instantly. This is one other excellent example of if you wish your content to be shared to the world, make it feasible for it do so. Start off putting on these social media buttons to your amazing landing pages, your blog posts, articles, or any other kind of of other content that you have made on your web page. But take into account not to insert every social media sharing button that exists. You will only make it start looking complicated and chaotic, which can hurt your website's professional appearance. Just put the ones that are more famous. Good content only, please. Of course, no sharing would probably even happen if your content wasn't especially decent in the first place, which will, furthermore, should be the rule number one. Considering that even though if you follow all the previously mentioned recommendations to the letter, no person is going to be inclined to talk about your content if it is dirty, boring, waste, non-educational, etc. Thanks for watching. Make sure you subscribe to my channel and also make sure you join my 100% free internet marketing mini course at www.onlinemarketingcore.com.